السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
Let me complete the lesson that we studied before, which is the random variable and probability distribution. We already took some examples about this one, and I'll give you more examples, and I'm trying to give you more ideas about the new lesson today, okay? Let me solve the first exercise today, which is if you have two boxes, each of one has three balls numbered from 1 and 3, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? So we have two boxes, and each one has three balls numbered from 1 and 3. A ball is drawn randomly from each box, and the random variable here is xi is define the product of the two balls, okay? The product, yeah, from the first one, the ball number 1, and from the second box, the ball number 1, numbered by 1. 1 times 1, or 1 times 2, or 1 times 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. Then the probabilities will be either 1 times 1, which is 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 2 times 1, it's okay, repeated, and 2 times 2, which is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6, okay? And 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 6 variables. So xi represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. We can write the table to find the probability distribution of this one and find the variance. Okay, this is xi, which is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. It's okay. What's the probability from this one? You will get 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 1, 3 and 2, 3 and 3. So this is the sample space of this experiment. This is xi, and this is represented by a function which is f of xi. Okay, so the sum of the events will be 9. 3 times 3, which is 3 power of 2, is 9. So we have 9 elements. Okay, the product is only 1, because only 1 times 1 is 1, so 1 over 9. And the probability of getting the product is 2, is either 1 times 2 or 2 times 1, which is 2 over 9. This is 9. The product to get 3 is 2 over 9 also, which is 3 times 1, and 1 times 3, which is 3 over 9. Okay, number to get 4, either 2 times 2 or, oh, nothing, only 1. 2 times 2, 1 over 9. To get 6, either 3 times 2 or 2 times 3, it will be 2 over 9. To get 9, only 1, which is 3 times 3, is 1 over 9. So this is a variable, and this is the probability that you get from this experiment. If you need mu, you know mu equals, mu is sum of I xi times f of xi from I equals 1 to n. So you need the product of them. So 1 times 1 over 9 is 1 over 9. This is xi, f of xi. 4 over 9, 9 over 9, which is 1. 9 over 9, which is 1. 4 over 9. And 12 over 9. And 9 over 9 also, which is 1. The sum of f of xi, which is the sum of the probabilities, must be 1. It must be 1, the sum. But the sum of this one, this according to the experiment itself. It's okay. So mu will be sum of xi, the sum of this one. I'll take it as a. So mu will be A. Okay, let me add the xi times f of xi, which is 4, because this 2 over 9 times 3, 6 over 9. So it will be 36 over 9, which is 4. Then the mu is 4, which is the sum of xi times f of xi. Okay? And we need the variance. You know the variance square equals sum from I equals 1 to n xi squared f of xi squared f of xi minus mu squared. So we need xi squared, which is 1, 4, 9, 16, 36, and 81. And you have to multiply by and find f of xi times xi squared, which is 1 over 9 xi squared f of xi. It will be 1 over 9, and 4 times 2, 8 over 9. Okay. And the third one will be 9 times 2 over 9. It will be 18 over 9. I'll make the denominator the same to be easier in addition. And 16 times 4 over 9 will be 64 over 9. And sorry, 1 times 16, it will be 16 over 9. And 2 times 36 over 9 will be 72 over 9. And this one will be 81 over 9. To add them, find the addition of them, will be 9. Okay, it will be 21.77. Please try to revise this final result. So sigma squared will be 21.77 in the sum minus mu squared, which is 16. It will be 5.76. Okay, we need the coefficient of variance. Okay, this variance squared, this then variance equals square root of this one, which is 5.77. 16 root the answer, square root of the answer will be 2.4, approximately equals 2.403. It's okay. And we need the coefficient. The coefficient is sigma over mu times 100%. So sigma is 2.403 over mu, which is 2.4 times 100 to get the answer. Okay. So it will be 2.403 divided by 5, 4, okay, approximately equals will be 6. It's okay. So the coefficient correlation will be 6, and try to revise the answer. It's okay. Thank you very much for this example, and I'm going to explain more one.